The Form Table has created waves in the education sector. A high-quality design-led product, it also represents excellent value for money. The Form Table frame is built to last, from a 50 by 30 mm oval tube. The frame is powder-coated in anthracite grey, with large scuff-resistant bungs allowing us to offer a 25-year frame guarantee. The tables are manufactured to the EN1729 standard, and are available in the 710 and 760 mm adult height. The tabletops also offer unparalleled strength, made from a 25 mm fire-resistant MDF core, with a hard-wearing beech laminate top. The tabletops have a metal thread inset for quick assembly, and to provide a metal-to-metal fixing. The 6 mm curved solid beech edging cannot be picked off like a PVC tabletop edge, or damaged and chipped like the MDF bullnose table edges. There are two pupil storage options available. Either a metal storage rack can be fixed underneath the tabletop, or a pair of tray runners may be added for pull-out grapnel trays. The Form Table offers unparalleled value for money. Contact your form dealer today to realise the benefits and potential of this product for you.